how to half swipe on Snapchat on the new update. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can half swipe on Snapchat on the new update, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to half swipe on Snapchat on the new update, if you don't know what half swipe means, half swipe is basically the ability to swipe so that you can read the messages without letting the other person know. So for this case, if I go ahead and open up Snapchat, and then if I want to view someone's Snapchat or everything else or the message they've sent, I have to open the message, right? So if I want to half swipe and then actually read the messages without letting them know, it is very simple. So there are two things over here. One is the profile picture, as you can see, of my friends, and the other is the profile name. If I swipe right from the profile name, I'll be taken to the Snap Map page and nothing else more than that. So if you want to half swipe, you have to go ahead and simply actually swipe right from the profile picture. Swipe it as far as you can read the messages, and then just take it back to the normal page. Then this will actually let you read the messages. So swipe it as far as you can, as much as you can read the messages, right? Once you've read the messages, just take it back to the normal page. This way the other person will not know that you've read the messages. But what you don't want to do is, you don't want to go ahead and simply swipe and then just leave it at that, because if you release it, you're going to come to the chat page, and then after that they're going to figure out that you've read the messages. So the thing over here, let me tell you again, just swipe all the way you can and then take it back after reading the messages. This way you can half swipe on Snapchat on the new update. Hope this video was very helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.